it's me, Spartacus, here with another tutorial video. Today's, I'm going to try to find my tutorial world, and I found it. Okay, into the episode, la la la. Okay, it's being glary, so I'm gonna go turn down the blinds, because it's glary. It's gonna go glare. And don't worry if a doorbell rings, because somebody's coming over. It's not like the pest control person, so it's not someone who's gonna collab or something. It's not like a friend, it's like a pest control thingy. Like we even have any pests to begin with. And yeah, this is what we're gonna be. Yeah, last time I forgot to put the wheels, the buttons, so yeah. So oh yeah, there's that thing. So this is what we're gonna be creating today. It's a B1. If you don't like it, I get it. It doesn't look that good. It does not look good whatsoever. And if you're in survival, there's no way you're gonna be able to do it, because you're gonna have to get rid of these. Yeah, you're gonna have to do this. You have to create a giant area. Okay, so once you're done, I just need to get rid of this A215. It's terrible. It's made of paper. No more bad puns. So, okay. Let's do our 10 blocks apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, right here, right now, you're going to want to take another brick slab, and that's just some air block. Put one there, and then drag one all the way across to here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 9. You want to drag it 9 things. So once you're done with that, you want to take some nether brick stairs and do that. And yeah, that's all so far. Let me see, is there like, oh yeah, so do I have it? Yeah, yes I do have it. So once you want to do that, you're going to do 2 right there, then 2 right there, and then drag it all the way here, and then drag this all the way here. Let me make sure. Now this one goes all the way there, and this one goes there. So once you're done with that, I want to put one there and one there. Then you break that one and put your nether brick stairs and drag this back again, and do that. Actually, no, do that. So then once you're done that, you're done with this layer. Not including, technically you're not done, but if you really want to be done, just do this. Put your item frames there. Then take your, no, not that one. Make, let me turn on F3Q. Let me see, F3G, I think, F3G, I don't think that worked. So this cover a map with half of this right there. Do from there all the way to there. green, and then there from all the way to there black. So just make a map and then flatten it out, and yeah. So once you're done with that, put map in there, map, 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 pat, map, pat. Okay, and then put item froms in there, and then put your map pat in there. Boom. You're done. Okay. So once you're done with that, next layer time. So first, you want to take your stacked rocks patterns and put it there. Just kidding. It's chiseled stone brick and put it there. Then put an item frame, a kit frame right there, and take your direction paper, that is all black by the way, and put it right in there. And then take your terracotta. Is this? No, I want concrete. I don't want terracotta. Actually, yes, you do want terracotta. So take your terracotta and then drag it all the way to here. No, here. And then drag this all the way to here. And then take two things there and break out them. And take your stone slab and do this, do that, da 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 da. And once you're done with that, take your nether brick slab and put them there, two there, two there, and then one on top of the stone brick stairs. And take the lime terracotta and put it there, and then take a skull head for like the giant gun right there and put it there. I know it looks really, really ugly. I'm probably gonna change it, but this is all I have so far. So once you're done with this, once you're done with that, put stone brick stairs there. Then okay, actually you're done with this layer. So once you're done with that, you want to put your stone brick stairs there and there, and then take a stone brick slab, put them there, and then do that. Actually, no, just put your stone bricks like there. Do that right there. Once you're done with this, you can drag your nether brick slab all the way across to here, and this all the way across to there. Now this is where I needed with the sign, the maps, because there's a big giant gap in there. There's no way I can fill that up. So I'm gonna have to take my direction paper and do that. I know the colors don't match up. I can't really do it like that. So yeah, this will definitely not have an inside. So once you're done with that, those maps, you can drag this back 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then drag this back 4, and then right here, I want to put some there, something there, and then yeah, do this here, and take your stone brick stairs and put it there, and then take a cauldron or a big tank in this case, fit there, so I have like the periscope. And then I think I haven't done this on the other one, but I think you should probably just do that there, so it can have like cover that little thing right there. So actually no, you can't do that because there's gonna be a thing there, but you can just do this, and then okay, that's what I was talking about. So yes, sponge, no, I want map, clean map, Mapple. So there's direction map, Once you're done with this, you can just put... Actually, that will not work. You see, I'm shouting now because there are talking people, and I don't want them to ruin the video. So I want to put some brick slabs there, and to put your iron trapdoor there. And then put some carpet all the way here. And then all the way here. Right there. So, once you're done with this, you can go take your lime terracotta brick or clay and put that there. And then take your stone bricks, put it there. And take your stone brick stairs and put 2 facing each other so it has like the little rotating thingy. Yeah, I got hurt a lot. I burnt myself. And then I dumbly decided to touch, to pick at the blister, and now it hurts. So once you're done with that, I'm just gonna, this gun, oh yeah, right, you need to put a thing there too. I'm just gonna go use some, stone brick wall. Where's the wall? Where's the wall? Where's the wall? Where's the wall? Okay, there's the wall. Let's use the dirty wall because it's more green. So put 2 there. It still didn't look good. Actually, no. Actually, just do that. Boom. That's better. Then put the kitty trap door. That looks better now. Doesn't look as good. So, once you're done with the turret, let's go to some greebling and engine stuff. So I want to put a lever there facing that way, and a lever there that's facing that way. And then take some buttons, stone buttons, and put 2 there. Actually 3. Let me fix that. Put 3 there. And then take a spooky skeleton head. But if you're in survival, use a flower pot. And then put a unicorn. Actually, no, put it there for the antenna. I don't know if there's any more greebling, but nope. There is not, so yeah. I'm just gonna go compare it to, like, I don't know. Maybe I'll, like, do, like, a part 2 to this, where I, like, compare it to another tank and stuff. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Donkey, get out of there. Okay. Yeah, bye. Actually, no, I the voice cracked up. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Oh yeah, right. You can't go in here because you can't really walk. So now you can go by. Bye.